Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video are a few project shares that I have for you that I've been working on this week. Hope you're enjoying your week and having a great time and taking care of all that's needed to be taken care of. Here we have some projects by scrapdivadesigns.com. Let's go over them really quick. This is the information. If you'd like to purchase some of these, you can purchase them through scrapdivadesigns.com. She does have an Instagram, a YouTube, and here's a hashtag for you. You can also check out the hashtag to get more inspiration from other talented crafters. Let's go ahead and get on into it. So this is part of the November release. So every month, ScrapDiva Designs has a new die release. And sometimes they get sold out very fast, and other times they're on pre-order. When the release comes out in the first of each month, it's recommended that you get what you'd like the first week because they tend to sell out really fast, and you may have to wait a while for a restock. So I already checked, so some of these are sold out, some of them are on pre-order. So I have 3 projects here for you guys. And I'm using the Vicky Booten Peppermint Kisses paper collection. I just love the collection. And these projects, I'm not using too much red. However, her paper collection has greens, pinks, blues, reds, and navy as well. I love the navy. It's so beautiful. So check out the collection, and I guarantee you will like it if you like these projects here. So let's go ahead and get on into it here. So I will be sharing with you some of this box here that is going to be featured in another video. So we'll be able to see what's inside that box in another video. But for now, I'm just sharing with you here the branch and ornament set. So it comes with tons of branches, and you will see that you can use this throughout the year. So here is the die, and this one comes with $12 pieces according to the website, and you get so many pieces. So again, this can be used throughout the year. As you can see, I made this ornament here, and I just love how it turned out. So you can see how the branches have been put into the side. So you can also use it as a tag. Reason why I have it here, so to share that you can use it as a tag as well and just spruce up your own DIY tags. And you can also use it as an ornament. That would be very fun. And you could use it as a shaker as well if you'd like to do that. I did use some puffy stickers here from an older collection, and I'm using some pink, some greens, and a hint of black there, so if you can see the words are in black. So I just love that. So next one is a shaker, and I love me a shaker here. Here it is right here. It's a Memorydex card, and this one is an ornament, and it is called Memorydex Gingerbread Shaker. This one comes with 7 pieces according to the website. And let me get the die. The die, here are all the pieces, and I think they're more than 7 if we want to count these itty bitty pieces over here. So yeah, there's definitely more than 7 here. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. So there are 15 pieces here, and as you can see, here's the gingerbread. It is attached to the die, so you are able to cut that out if you'd like. I have it cut out on, that's how I decorated this one. So this one is cut out, and let me share with you the different cutouts here. So let me put that down. So it would look something like this. So all I did was just cut it out. That's all I did. So here are some other, so you can use this for other projects and just use to see how it comes. It comes like this, and you just cut it out, and you can use just the gingerbread piece there. And for this one as well, I did put on some eyelashes. If you can see, I just love that detail. And also the sugar and spice sentiment, I have it floating on in front of the flowers. I also added some pom-poms. It's a trim, and I also added these branches here. And from the older die, I will have it linked up here. From last year, I'm using the scarf as well as the little squigglies there. Oh no, the squigglies came with this. So you do get the squigglies. The scarf is from last year's, and I did do some stitching on the gingerbread like I did last year as well. And so that's it right there. Here's the back. You can decorate it if you'd like. Put your information there, just write it out, and send off to your scrappy bestie. Next, you guys, is my favorite. I think it's because it has some red in there. I just love pink, white, and red together as well. So here we go. Look at this here. I just love this one. This one is called Mini Bottle Pocket Tag. Again, this may be sold out or maybe on pre-order. You can also check it out to see if it's going to be restock, or send scrapdivadesigns a message through the website requesting a restock, and she may do that favor for you. But I just love it, you guys. You can add anything you'd like in it. I'm adding some candy canes here that I spruced up for buttons galore and more, and you will see a video on that later. And I just love how they turned out. So here in the front, I am using the Vicky Bouton Peppermint Kisses ephemera pieces here. I just used some light stitching on them, as you can see there. And I added a pocket. So the pocket is right in front, if you can see. This pulls out and in and out. And then the candy canes are inside, and as you can see, there's so much room inside. And I even have a tissue paper, so if you can see that. And then right here, here's the pocket right there. So you can add some sequence mix in there if you'd like, some die cuts as well, and just add that. I did do some stitching on this too as well, just to give it, this is just for detail here. And this one's a cute one. I just love how this one turned out. You can send your crafty besties some snacks in here if you'd like, and you can send them some glue. I seen someone using glue. I seen someone using a bottle. I seen someone using some other crafty item. I forgot what it was. But yeah, so much to attach this to. So cute as well. I just love it, you guys. So that's my 3 projects, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And oh my goodness, I think I forgot. Did I share with you the die? Here's the die. So the die, according to the website, let's just count here. So there's 5 pieces, and I do have some pieces cut out already, so you could take a peek at that in case this one is restocked, because this one can be used throughout the year. This is one of those that you can use all year round and in different holidays, baptisms, party favors. This would go really good with any theme, even weddings. If you have a wedding, you could put these on the champagne bottles or wine bottles. Baby showers as well, and the bottles, if you decorate your baby shower with bottles, you can put these on the bottles and then decorate the baby shower. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and again, please keep a lookout for a restock in case that happens. If not, send a message and you might get lucky. So these are my 3 projects. If you already have these, you can try making these. It's so simple and using the same collection. I will have all of the links below, and I will see you very soon to show you what's in this box. So stay tuned and have a great one. Bye.